Hey YouTube, this is my 2012 Subrosa Tiro with some customized part. I have ODI grips, very cool, purple. Then I have an animal jump off remix stem. I love it, I love the color, love everything about it, it's light. Then animal Barrett forks and stock subrosa bars, which I'm getting new ones. I just ordered them from Dance Comp, the best site. Got animal sway bars. Then Odyssey stock brake lever. Then I have a purple Odyssey brake cord. As you can see, it's written somewhere there, Odyssey slick. Then I have stock wheels, a Clat PC pedals, try to get it there, Clat, Odyssey twin bolt cranks, Odyssey whatever this thing is, stock seat. Although it's plastic, it's really lightweight. I cut the down tube, so it's nice. Then Salt seat clamp, stock wheels, Kink sprocket, the other Odyssey twin bolt, and a KMC chain. Odyssey brake and Odyssey brake pads, if you can see, and a demolition rear and front hub. I'm also getting animal RS rims. They're in the mail. Oh yeah, and I have my Subrosa Tiro frame 2012, and yeah, that's my bike. I'm hoping to make another video sometime next weekend. That's all.